Hey, just a quick video here. Just watched that last episode of Mandalorian. If you guys haven't, if you're following the Mandalorian series and you're at season 2 and you haven't watched the last episode, yeah, brace yourself. It was really great. So, kind of got me inspired to build a model kit. Had this for a while. This is the 1983 kit. That's why it's pretty old, damaged, and whatever. It's the X-Wing fighter, Return of the Jedi. Now, this is just going to be box stock. I'm not going to light it up or anything. I just want to build a Star Wars kit. I got quite a few of them up there, and I just thought, why not? So this will be a little project I'm doing on the side with the Fletcher series destroyer, the USS. I think it's the USS Fletcher. So got that. It's right above my shoulder, right there. I'm just taking my time with that one and all that. So yeah, I might do a little series here like Monday, Model Kit Monday or something. I don't know. So, but I started off as a model kit builder, and it's always going to be in my blood. And converted to miniature wargaming and all that. And I'm really digging the wargaming. You guys, I don't need to talk about that stuff anymore. But anyways, Return of the Jedi, X-Wing fighter. Plain old X-Wing fighter. So, let's go do this. Well, that sucks. Ugh.